Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Gwen here with Teacher Tip Tuesday. My tip for today is actually a tool, and it's Dr. Gwen's Survival Kit. So much is going on right now, and I know a lot of people are struggling. So hopefully you can take something from this kit and use it as a tool to help you. The first thing in the kit, a bell. Ring it for help if you need it. You don't have to do things alone. You are not alone, and people will help you if you ask. Sometimes we have not because we ask not. The next thing in the kit is a colored pencil that reminds you to be inspired to live the colorful life that you dream of and imagine. Color your day bright and cheerful. The next thing is an eraser to remind you that everyone makes mistakes. Use those as learning and growth opportunities. Your mistakes do not define you. They are opportunities for growth and improvement. The next thing is a glue stick. Whenever in doubt, stick to your morals and your professional code of ethics. It's going to lead you the right way all the time. Your code of ethics. Next, we have a heart. I love this saying, and I say it all the time. When you can't see eye to eye with someone, try seeing heart to heart. It's a way to connect. Sometimes we get so bogged down in our ideals that we forget about the human side of everyone. And there's always a way to connect with someone when you look for the good and you can see heart to heart. We have a highlighter that says highlight the positives in each day. There's so much that happens, I know, and sometimes we get stuck focusing on that one negative thing that threw our day off. But if we find ways to express gratitude, then it helps us keep pushing forward and it keeps us from being stuck. Then we have Kleenex here. I like how this little pack of Kleenex says, find your fearless. But before we find our fearless, sometimes we just need a good, ugly cry. We just need to let it all out. That's especially for our really strong people who feel like we got to hold it all in and keep it all together all the time. Let go. Crying is so cathartic. It's a great release. Just let it all out. I'm telling you, you'll feel so much better. Then we have a marble. Says, ask others to help you find yours. If you lose it, just ask somebody to help you find. I have lost my marbles. Can you please help me find it? Just reach out, ask for help. Then we have a paper clip that reminds you to stay organized. It helps you be more effective, more efficient. I have been decluttering the last few days, and it's like, oh my God, I have been looking for this forever. I need this right now. So many hidden treasures if we just kind of declutter and get organized. Then we have some Play-Doh to remind you that we learn by doing. We learn by making mistakes and making improvements and getting better. And kids learn by doing too. So make learning fun. We have a puzzle piece here, because you are a very important piece of the puzzle. That is your school, that is your class, that is your building. You have value. So remember that. And then we have a rubber band to remind you to be flexible, to reevaluate, to readjust, to modify things as you need to. We're always learning, growing, and improving. And finally, we have here our smile, because it's a great mood enhancer. And it's so contagious. So if you're smiling, your kids are smiling, your colleagues are smiling. Okay? Hopefully something in here resonates with you and is going to help you along your day. Remember, guys, self-care matters.